Note to learner: this video provides content that will be hosted on the Ginnie Mae LMS in the near future. In this video, you will not be able to interact with screen content to include selecting pop-ups, launching resource hyperlinks, and answering knowledge check questions. Nonetheless, you will be presented with all of the content presented in the interactive e-learning training. Though the audio narration may request that you select items or buttons on the screen, please pause the video to read the content and then select play to continue with the video. When the video advances to a knowledge check, please pause the video and try to answer the question in your head. Select play to see the correct answer or answers to the question. Welcome to Working with MFPDM Overview. The purpose of this training is to present new issuers and new employees with an overview of the MFPDM user roles, access, dashboard, and some selected operational activities. Select objectives to learn what you will be able to do by the end of this module. Select Next to continue when you are ready. The Multifamily Pool Delivery Module, MFPDM, provides an updated application interface for processes and procedures that were supported previously through the GinnieNet application. A core Ginnie Mae function is to allow issuers to submit pool and loan data to be assembled and issued as Ginnie Mae mortgage-backed securities, MBS. Pool and loan data is submitted through electronically uploaded files or by manual data entry. MFPDM is to be used to create and submit all new multifamily pools. Select Next to continue. You should be aware that there are 3 user roles associated with MFPDM. Select each role to learn more. Select Next to continue when you are ready. To access the MFPDM application, follow these steps. First, navigate to My Ginnie Mae via https://my.ginniemay.gov. Second, select Login. Third, enter your MGM credentials. And fourth, enter the one-time PIN, OTP, which is sent to you by email. Select Next to continue. Once logged into the system, you land on the My Dashboard screen. My Dashboard includes recent pool updates for the issuer, system messages, and more. My Dashboard is organized into the following sections. User Profile displays the user profile with issuer ID and contact information from the icon at the upper right of the screen. Marquee displays the latest news, tours, and features within the application. My Pools gives a total count of all pools associated with the issuer, delineates an individual count of pools per status. Recent Pool Activity displays information related to recent activity within an issuer's pools, shows the 3 most recently active pools from each category. Inbox shows the most recent message, task, and events count, displays a summary view of messages, tasks, and events, provides a link to view all messages with options for New, Task List, and Task. Notes allows issuers to add, modify, or delete personal notes entered into the system. Activity Feed provides issuers with a log of their recent activities, such as submissions. Commitment Authority displays a pie chart with the breakdown of available and used funding, as well as a View Details button that includes detailed information. Pool Numbers displays a bar chart distinguishing the breakdown of available and used pool numbers by month, as well as a View Details button that delineates detailed information. Select Next to continue. The MFPDM Pools and Loans screen displays a list of pools associated with the issuer ID. The screen header in the blue banner includes pool status icons and the number of pools per status. Pool status icons include All Multifamily MF Pools, shows a summary of the pools in all states. Draft provides the total count of all pools associated with the issuer. These pools have been saved but not submitted. Submitted for final certification. Pools that the issuer has sent to the document custodian for final certification. Final certified. Pools that have been final certified by the document custodian. Issued transferred. Pools that have been issued or transferred to another issuer at the time of submission. Transferred at issuance, TAI pools. Pools that are transferred at issuance. Add pools. Select to import a pool data file or enter pool data manually. By selecting the pool status column in the table, individual draft pool status is displayed. Selecting an individual status navigates to the pool list screen filtered by the respective status. By selecting the ellipsis in the Actions column, the options available depend on the pool type, submission type, and pool status. These are some key actions included. Export. Export pool loan data as a text file that can be found in your download folder. Docs. Download documents and reports from the drop-down menu. Validate. Once information has been entered and saved, you can validate the pool loan data by running Ginnie Mae business rules. Submit. Use this button to cancel current edits on a screen. Delete. You can delete a pool, loan, or loans when a pool is in draft status. Select Next to continue. Let's examine the first draft pool in the MFPDM Pools and Loans screen. In the Pool Details screen, the blue banner at the top displays a snapshot of the pool details. The following fields on the Pool Header, Pool Details screen are required to save a pool. Pool Number. Pool numbers are required numbers pre-assigned by Ginnie Mae. Issue Type. The issue type for multifamily pools will always be X, indicating that these are Ginnie Mae 1 pools. Issue type is system generated. Issue date. The date from which a mortgage-backed securities MBS pool issued under the Ginnie Mae MBS program accrues interest. The issue date is always the first calendar day of the month of issue. Pool type. Multifamily pool types describes the type of mortgages backing a pool. Pool types include CL, construction loan, CS, construction loan split rate, PN, project loan, non-level payment, LM, project loan, modified loan, mature loan, LS, project loan, 538-515, RX, project loan, mark to market. Submission type, the type of multifamily pool submission. Submission types include Type 1, initial construction loan, Type 2, construction loan draw, Type 3, project loan conversion, Type 4, initial project, Type 5, final draw, PN conversion. Select Next to continue. Another functionality you will need to know is how to generate PDF files of your documents. For example, open a pool, select the Plus More button, and then choose Docs. Select the desired form, document, or report in the drop-down menu. A PDF will be downloaded which you can save to your computer and print. Select Next to continue. Let's explore the data flows within MFPDM. The following data flow reflects the different operational activities in MFPDM for the multifamily pool submission. First, issuers create a new multifamily pool, save it, and validate it. Then, issuers can add a loan, add draws if applicable, and validate them. Next, the issuer submits the pool for final certification. The document custodian is responsible for certification. Once certification is complete, the pool status is updated to Final Certified, and the pool can continue the path to issuance. In MFPDM, issuers can also delete pools that have not yet been submitted for final certification. Issuers can also recall pools that have not been released for issuance by the system. Select Next to continue. Now, check your understanding. Now, check your understanding. The goal of this training is to provide new issuers and new employees of existing issuers an overview of the MFPDM user roles, access, dashboard, and some selected operational activities. You learned that a core function of Ginnie Mae is to allow issuers to submit pool and loan data to be assembled and issued as Ginnie Mae mortgage-backed securities, MBS. Pool and loan data is submitted through electronically uploaded files or by manual data entry. In addition, you learned the 3 different MFPDM user roles and how to access the application. You also learned about the information provided on My Dashboard and through the MFPDM Pools and Loans link. You learned about the data flow for different multifamily operational activities. In MFPDM, issuers can create a new MF pool, save it, and validate it. Once validated, you learn to submit pools for final certification and to view the status of your pools. Select objectives for a review. You may use the Exit button to leave this presentation at this time.